Hello everyone, our today's topic is nature painting and subtopic is sunflower. Let's see the material required for the drawing: pencil, eraser, long scale, watercolors, brushes, palette, 1/4 side drawing paper or drawing book. First you have to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page. Write down the heading and a date. Now let's start the drawing. First we are going to draw a small circle for the base of our flower. Then draw a petals like on a conical shape. We are going to draw. Petals of the sunflowers are ovalish in a shape, but the end of the petals are pointed and it has a yellowish orangish shade. Every time when you start on a drawing, first you have to arrange your drawing on a paper, and for that you have to lightly draw on a drawing first and then finalize a drawing with a 2B pencil. And this is a stem, and now here we are going to draw on a leaf for our flower, which is pointed at the end and a slightly heart shape, like thicker at the start and at the end it's an pointed, and it has a light greenish color. This is our rough drawing we are going to arrange on a paper. Now finalize this drawing with a 2B pencil, and now we are going to start on a coloring. First we are going to apply on a yellowish shade on a petals and a middle part of the flower, because the 90% part of the sunflower is a yellowish and different shades of the yellow, orange, red and brown. So first we apply on a base color of the yellow, as well as the base color for the stem and leaves also. I am applying yellow color because for the uh, green the base color is yellow. Now we apply light green color for the further details of the leaves, and adding some light greenish tone so that it gets on a dimension, and some yellowish part of the base color I left for the further coloring so that it gets on a light and dark tones and dimensions and textures also. For making a lightish greenish tone of the green, I am adding slight amount of yellow ochre and light green so that it gets on a leaf green tone. Now we start adding dimensions on the petals with adding on a yellow ochre color and slight amount of orange color so that we can make more tones of the yellow and orange. Here I am showing on the dimensions. In this drawing the light is come from the left hand side part, that's why the darkened tones we are showing on the right hand side part. You can see here. To showing on a depth, I am adding more orangish and reddish tone so that it gets on a dimension. The petals of the sunflower has on a slight texture, line textures, and which we are going to show by drawing and marking some lines on a petal so that we can take a realistic advantage of the flower. In the middle part it has some seeds, pointed seeds are there, and it's in a slightly brownish tone. So for that I am taking a color combination of yellow ochre and brown, and now we are going to show the dimension on a stem with a dark tone of the green. For that I am taking a sap green color so that it gets in a 3 dimension, as well as on a leaf some part of the leaf is lighter and some darkened tones on a leaf which has some dark light textures, and we are going to show the exact impression of the leaf by adding some dark and light tone so that we can show an exact the leaf shapes and tones which we are going to see in a real flower. This is a third natural object we are going to learn in a nature painting. First we learn on a hibiscus flower, second we learn on a zinnia flower, and now this is the third assignment, sunflower. Few years back there were topic in a elementary intermediate grade examination, and the topic is on a nature painting. In this topic they ask any flower like zinnia, sunflower, aster to draw and color, and generally most of the times they ask sunflower for the elementary exam because this is on a basic study for any natural object, how to color, how to show the dimension, the difference between the petals, everything we are going to learn in a sunflower. Here we are going to show the third tone on a flower. Every object we have to show on a three tones of the color, light, middle and dark. In sunflower, first we apply base tone of the yellow, then we add orange color. Now we adding on a red color and show an extreme depth of the flower just in the corners for the differentiate the two petals, because the petals are overlapping on each other. Some are front, some in a back side. So back petals gets and a shadow, and we are going to show on dimensions and tones of these petals with these tones. Also on the corner of the middle circle we are showing some dark tone, and middle part also we add some dark tone by adding bluish tone. Now we are adding some dark tones on a stem. We are adding some white dots in a middle circle to get an exact impression of the flower. Then we are going to add darkened tone on the leaves also to show on a third tone of the greenish color, so that we get a proper dimension, because every object has a three tone, light, middle and dark. We already shown on a middle and light tone. Now because of this darkened tone you can see how these leaves are come out from the paper, and it gets and details. And finally we add some lighter tones with the white color to show the highlight. I hope you understand this demonstration of sunflower, how to make a sunflower with the poster color. Practice at home. In future we learn aster also and some different flowers in a nature paintings. Hope you understand the demonstration. Thank you. Best of luck.